Hi everyone, let's talk about the cryptocurrencies, why they are falling. Since we have the 7-day, there's Bitcoin minus 10%, Ethereum same. Every chart that I'm looking at is going down. There's of course this Tether, the USDT and USDC, which are both dollars, so they are stable coins. And yeah, otherwise there are few that have been raising, but we have the charts that is going down. And by the way, Bitcoin market cap is nearing the $1 trillion dollars, the market cap. But all this is happening because of the bearish run following China's latest comments on Bitcoin mining. But the short and medium term outlooks for the market remains positive. Bitcoin could top the 70K level over the coming days and weekends. I'm not sure about that. Otherwise, I'm pretty positive with the cryptocurrencies, but I'm not sure about those levels. The cryptocurrency market has experienced massive losses over the past few hours, but it could recover and rally over the coming days and weeks. Yeah, so those who are investing, try to invest in the long, so don't try to be trading, because if we look at the capitalization of crypto market, so this fell out, has been falling. What was in April, between April and in the June, so there's a big drop happening. The volumes are increasing, by the way, very highly. So I'm not sure. I think there's no possibilities that it could drop to the previous year's numbers. So this might be local. I think the big support level would be around 2 trillion, and second one would be around here, so 1.4, and lower than that, I'm not sure with those volumes and with all what is happening to crypto market would happen. But we saw already the period in the December 2017, it was falling out like 1 year row. Actually, 1 year row, then it increased slightly. Then it was already the second year, almost 3 years. The cryptocurrencies were in that kind of position in boring, as we say, the boring position. So level was 544 billion. So whenever you are trading, I'm not recommend to do that. Be investor. Try to research the cryptocurrency. Is there any project that is you like? Make a due diligence. Try to invest, for example, long term. Diversify your portfolio, of course. Do not enter some of the scam projects, which aren't, by the way, on, for example, on biggest platforms. For example, if we open the Bitcoin, there's the coin market cap and markets, and after that you will see where is the tradings. So there's a Binance, Coinbase, and other platforms. And if you find some of the coins are, for example, in Unicorn or the Pancake, or what is it called, or others, coins table, but anyway, Kraken is new. Anyway, those coins are, how would I find it? For example, what it would be good? The Dog Dash, by the way, that's the one. Not advertising this, but for many this seems like a scam project. But anyway, the price is struggling. But anyway, if we open the markets, this is on the Yeah, pancake swap. This they entered the gate IO, by the way. I wasn't sure about that. Visit, by the way, the sites. Is it scamcoin.com or net? I'm not sure. But those kind of projects, they are easily could be scammed. So be aware of that. And there's, by the way, another one, Angry Squid. I'm not sure. This is raising very high, currently over 400% within 24 hours. And it's the markets. Yeah, pancake swap. So be aware of that kind of movements. And by the way, if you're investors, so those who were invested in December 2017, they, after all, by the way, if we open, for example, yeah, the Bitcoin. So I'm talking about my strategy to invest in. If we open the trending view, and if we open, for example, 1 week, or even, doesn't matter actually, if you brought here, so at around 20,000 per coin, you brought already, like when it's double it up, 38, then it decreased, you invested once again, 32. Averaging is the best tool that you have as a long-term investor. Then it increased by to the 60,000. For example, I brought here, then it decreasing to the 34. I brought there, and by averaging, you might see the average price of the Bitcoin nearing the bottom line that could possibly affect on your future profit. So try to learn about more about the investing of the, like how it goes. And let's continue with the why it's going down. So Chinese government has always attacked Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The government has never made a secret that they dislike the cryptocurrencies and are determined to root it out of the country. The authorities come out again to speak out against cryptocurrency mining and blast Bitcoin. China's State Planet National Development and Reform Commission said during the press conference it will continue to clean up virtual currency mining in the country. The agency has spoken, so they want to clean the mining side of the Bitcoin all the way down to the others altcoins and through the whole cryptocurrency. As a result, the NDRC is set to launch a full-scale clampdown on crypto mining in China. Independence eliminate the activity entirely. China's latest comments on Bitcoin mining led to broader crypto market embarking in a bearish run. So yeah, there's the drop, and crypto market outlook remains positive. So what's there? The midterm outlook for the cryptocurrency markets remain positive despite recent drawback. Bitcoin reached the new high above 69,000. That was, I remember that moment. Weak as analysts remaining confident in could touch six figures before the end of the year. That I'm not sure about. So whenever there is too high speculation about the price, of course you have to remember that there's whales. So once, if we open week, once there's also the greed and fear index you have to remember. So those who were entering here, for example, March, were waiting the same that happens from the September, October, November, December, like huge gains. So it doubles itself, by the way, or triples, or actually quadruples the gains within few months. Those who invested here were waiting, of course, the same gains. So February this year they were entering, then they fall up within next few days. Then those who were long term possibly might sold already to cut the losses. For example, in whales were buying once again. Then when it's grown up, those who were long term, and by the way, there's they cut it the shortest, and those who were the longer period investors. Once they hit once again 57,000, there was pretty boring period. It was on the same level, May. So, and then once again it decreased. So you got to remember that there's whales, big whales that are making profits. So they are trading with huge volumes, and they might cause this kind of movements. So those who were long term, it's not good to see whether there's 60,000 and within few months it decreased to there's the 30,000. So you invested, cut it in half. Of course, some of them could not see that kind of decreasement, and they are selling the coins to the whales, and whales were adding more here, then the price grew up. That is what happens. So rich get richer and poor get poorer by just simply investing maybe last money that they have. So be aware and be kind of aware of that, and try to not invest the last money that you have. And let's have a look at that. Taproot update. The Bitcoin network also went live during the weekend, making the true measure update of Blackjack 2017. This has generated a lot of buzz within the crypto space, and updates will improve privacy, scalability, and security of the Bitcoin blockchain. Bitcoin could bounce back to their and probably top the 70k psychological level. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the video one.